How to fix Temu app payment failed. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into the App Store on your device. Here in the source bar, simply search for Temu. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Now once you have the updated version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Temu and then move into it. Click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Well, it should also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, head over to your application Temu. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you're in the home page, head over to You at the bottom right, and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Move into your payment methods. If any of the payment method that you have added is not working, then remove the card that you have added and then try entering the new one. Or check whether all the informations are correct or not. After that, you'll be good to go. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.